Hi guys, this is Nidhi and in this video I am creating this makeup look which is like a very soft and fresh makeup look. I think it's perfect for a brunch party or for any day event, wherein you don't want too much going on your eyes. So I've kept my eyes very soft and subtle. I've applied these beautiful shades using Lotus Makeup Ecostay Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. So this is a palette that I've used. Now this is shade Autumn Feel and I've also used other Lotus makeup products. So I'll take you through each and every product that I have used in this video. So keep watching the video to see how I created this makeup look. So I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Lotus Makeup. It's called Lotus Makeup Ecostay Velvet Eyeshadow and the shade is called Autumn Feel. So these are the four beautiful shades that you get in this palette. So I think it's perfect for creating a day look or a brunch look, which I am creating now. So let's see the texture of this eyeshadow before we get started. This is the first shade, which is like this goldenish beige color, which is so beautiful. Then you have this dark brown color, which can be used in the outer corner or in the crease area. Now we have this color again, which is goldenish brown, and then we have this beautiful lovely pink color. So let's get started. And also guys, I would like to tell you about this eyeshadow palette. It's 100% vegetarian. It's a vegan product. Okay, so it's cruelty free, 100% vegetarian, and all these eyeshadows are really velvety in texture and they last very long. They don't crease or they don't fade away. So I'm starting with this brown bronzy shade. Okay, taking it in my blending brush. So applying this shade on my crease and also on the outer corners. Remember, we'll keep the eye makeup very soft and subtle, so I'm not making the outer corners very dark. Now I'm taking this shade from the palette and applying this on my eyelid. So I'm applying the shade right at the center. I'm going to leave the inner corner because I'll be applying another color there. These colors are very pigmented. You don't need to spray the brush with a makeup fixer to apply this. This is highly pigmented and very easy to blend. And as you can see, there are no fallouts on my face. This eyeshadow is not falling on my face, so very easy to work with. After this, I'm taking this beautiful pink shade here and applying this shade in the inner corner. Now I'm taking this Kajal pencil from Lotus Makeup. It's called Ecostay Kajal and it's smudge proof and waterproof. It can be used in the waterline, and even if you're wearing contact lenses, you can absolutely use this. It's absolutely safe. Also, it's very velvety in texture, so the application is very smooth. What I'm doing is, I'm not applying it in the waterline right now, but I am just applying a very thin line or very close to my lash line. So this is what I've done. I've applied like a very thin line just to shape my eyes a little bit more and define my eyes. So same on the other side. Alright, it's time to apply lots of mascara. So for that, I am using this mascara from Lotus Makeup. It's called Maxlash Waterproof and Volumizing Mascara. I want to show you guys the wand of this mascara. So basically, this is how the wand looks. It's shaped really well. It's thin. It's very easy to reach out the inner corners with the help of this wand. Otherwise, I find it really difficult to apply mascara in the inner corners, but with this, it's absolutely easy. Now if you are a kajal person, then please go ahead and apply kajal in the waterline. Well, I usually don't apply kajal in the waterline if I'm wearing a liner. So I'm going to skip the kajal for this look. I will just go back to the eyeshadow palette again and I'll apply some eyeshadow in the lower lash line. So I'm taking this pink color which we applied in the inner corner and applying it here in the lower lash line. So I'm applying this pink color only till here, like just the half of my lower lash. And now I'm taking this color which we applied on the lid, in the center of the lid, taking this color and applying it at the remaining areas. Don't forget to apply mascara in the lower lashes. I love to apply gloss when I'm creating this soft, subtle look, you know, just to add a lot of shine to the face. So I'm applying this lip gloss, which is from Lotus makeup. It's called Proedit Lip Plumper Plus Lip Gloss. So basically it's a lip plumper. The shade that I'm using is called Sunkissed Beige. Now this lip plumper gives a nice shiny and plump effect to your lips. If you can see the difference, my lips are looking very pouty and shiny. Perfect, I think, for the brunch scenes, and also it lasts very long. So yes, this is the final look. This is my brunch makeup look. What do you think about it? Do let us know in the comment section below. And I'm absolutely loving how the eyes have like different colors, but yet it's looking very soft and subtle. And yes, of course, this sun-kissed beige lip gloss is perfect to get those sun-kissed pictures in the daylight. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.